Friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today the girl said, Kez, you've been doing middle part bust down for too long. At least start the video out where it's not a middle part bust down. And I said, okay, fine. I'll try something new. I'll do the side part. I ate that one up. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Dorsanee hair. I've collaborated with them in the past and I'm excited to have them back. If you're looking for a fun, colorful wig, they have a ton of colorful wigs. This is a 24-inch 13x4 body wave, black with blue with green and purple highlighted wig. It's all human hair, so it's not a synthetica. Guys, this wig comes colored like this. Oh my god. We don't need that much lace. Thank you, but we don't need that much lace, okay? We don't need that much lace. This is definitely a wig you need to put lace tint on. Just saying. It's a very full hairline. I remember when baby hairs was the hardest part of my install. I just couldn't do baby hairs to save my life, guys. And I think that's partly the reason why I don't really like baby hairs to this day, because when I first started doing wig reviews, I just couldn't do them. So when I would do it, it would look awful on me, and then I don't know, I hated it the way that they looked. So now when I do baby hairs, like, I know how to do them, but I also still don't really like a lot. Okay, seeing as though it's a side part, maybe I'll put a little bit more hair here. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Add a tiny bit more layers. Okay, I'm gonna add some powder to the part. With some makeup setting spray. I added some layers, so I'm going to curl this hair off camera and then come back once it's curled. We've seen curling tutorials a lot.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you.
What do we think? Are we here for it? Is it a moment? This is what she looks like. Okay, you know what? We did that. I wasn't sure at first. I'm like, I don't know. This was a trust the process moment for me with this wig. And in the end, it turned out really cute. I like the highlights, so pretty. Definitely very unique for me and something new, and I'm here for it. It's fun. It actually looks really good once you style her down, melt her down, and do a little cut to cut. It looks phenomenal. This wig comes colored like this, and even with these colors, they're still very like subtle because they're not super bright. They're more like darker tone colors, but they're still like very much there. So I actually really like it, and I like how it turned out. The wig cap did fit me a little bit big at first, so we did have to cut into it quite a bit, but in the end it turned out looking super cute. Like, I love the fact that I get to try a fun wig like this that I typically wouldn't go for. So if you're looking at it, you're like, how's that gonna look? It's fun. You'll like it. It'll look good because of the black root. Like, you're safe. It doesn't even matter what's going on down here because you have the black base. So it's like chill, business, and then party down here. Ooh, I love that. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. Don't forget to check that out before you go and let them know that I sent you. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.